What is going on, everyone? My name is Shaheen with Moto Factory, and I have Simon, and today we're going to be installing an Aero titanium system on the CBR-1000RR. Now, this exhaust system is good for the 2017 models all the way to the 2025 plus. They haven't changed anything, so before we kind of get into that, let's just hear what the stock exhaust sounds like. So Simon, you want to go ahead and start it up so we can see what it sounds like? So its idle is roughly around like 90 decibels. So it's roughly 90, and when you rev it, it's kind of like 105 decibels. So let's go ahead and get this big, ugly muffler out of here, and let's go put it with a beautiful Aero titanium exhaust.
All right, guys, now start to take out the OEM exhaust. But first, needed to take out the servo body. Servo body, this bike is so easy to displace. Only holding the one bolt, the LM5. Then pulling down, it's coming so easy. And here I have the one cable. So easy, that's it. And here I have the one bolt, is 8mm. 8mm ratchet. And longer arm. Okay, right now we need to take out the cable after this one is free. All right, guys, here I have the one bolt. This is Allen 2.5mm. Turn it. Need it completely out. And then pulling out this one. All right. All cable came out. Now put back the cover. Okay, right now take out the exhaust. It's under have the one clamps. This one is 30mm. After Allen key 8mm. And then pulling outside. Yeah, it's heavy. All right, now everything's perfect. Just need to put the new exhaust Aero system. All right, guys, now unboxing the Aero system for CBR-1000RR. Here you have the clamp, spring, and DB killer. And exhaust system. Look at this exhaust, it's perfect. Look at the weld, everything is professional.
All right, what's going on, guys? So Simon just unboxed the Aero exhaust system. As we can see, the nice bends, the nice weld. So it's gonna be a very, very solid system. Before we throw it on the bike, let's just go ahead and see the weight savings you guys are gonna be getting. So first, let's start with the muffler. As we can see, the cat is attached to it with the servo. So let's see what this thing weighs at. It's ready. In pounds. 7.26 pounds. Okay, guys. It's not a super heavy exhaust system because the cat's attached. It's still heavy, yeah. All right, so now let's see the Aero already. It's very, very light. Let's go ahead and see what this guy weighs at. So that was 7.2 pounds. There you go. 2.2. So 5 pounds saving, guys. So it may not seem like a lot, but trust me, when you're riding, you're definitely gonna notice it. So let's get this thing thrown on the bike and let's see what it sounds like.
All right, guys, now start to put back the everything. Here how the one clamps is putting the under the here. It's coming back. After one bolt is, I think is LM5. Yeah, it's LM5. Yeah, right now is good. We don't need it too tight first because we need to put exhaust after spring is come. If your position is good, after tight. Right now, take the exhaust. Yep, exhaust is perfect. Now, here we're using the OEM bolt. $12mm coming back. First, make sure position is good, is straight, and after tying the bolt. If you have the small LNQ5, it's work here easy. Now let's put it in the spring. Yeah, this much easy. Install the CBR-1000RR. It's finished. First, need a wipe it. Make sure not have the exhaust oil after starting the exhaust.
All right, guys, so Simon just finished wrapping up this exhaust install and it looks absolutely insane. I love the way it looks. Some Aero systems come with the logo embossed. This one has the sticker over it. We are coming out with custom colors, so like even if yours does come with an embossed logo on it, sorry, not embossed, engraved, laser engraved logo, we could go ahead and put this color, put the sticker over it, and then we could do different colors. So we'll make like a red, a pink to kind of match your bike. But nonetheless, let's hear this thing. Let's see what it sounds like. So Simon, you want to go ahead and start it up? And then I have the DB killer. Go ahead. Wow. So there's no DB killer in this bike. It's just straight open right now. So. That sounds absolutely insane. Its idling was right around like 110, so I think on the previous one we were 90.
Yeah.
When you rev it, it's not a super annoying noise. At like 125, it's definitely bearable. So I would probably ride it without the DB killer, but that pretty much wraps up this exhaust install video, guys. If you have this same exact bike and you want to get this exhaust for it, go ahead and check us out at motofactoryparts.com. We also sell aero for a bunch of different other bikes, as well as parts, accessories, gear, pretty much anything you guys need. So thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.